This is one of the farthest reaching lights, and with a true out the front of 1000 lumens. Now the difference between this and the Elzetta is only 100 lumens. But as you will see in camera, the tremendous difference 100 lumens can make when you have it more focused tightly, which is why this has such a large reflector. The constant drain pattern of Armytek flashlights is what really sold me on this company. And if you're running upgrading T650s, then this light will outlast the competition by far. The Barracuda and the MH2C are the only two flashlights in this group that have a constant brightness pattern.
Barracuda on the right, Elzetta on the left.
It is a larger flashlight, but just barely than the PD35.
PD35 on the left, MH2C on the right.
The Elzetta Charlie is the compact high performer. The main weakness of this flashlight is the drain pattern is like a step. And I'll be honest, in maybe 5 to 10 minutes, if you have it non-stop running, your brand new battery is going to start really bright. You're going to notice that 900 lumens. Daytime, you can still blind some way. But very quickly, it's going to drop that average 10 to 15% that we see among all flashlights that have this type of drain pattern. This combined with the fact that it can't use 18650 upgraded milliamp per hour cells means the Charlie is a powerful light, but only in the beginning. And very quickly, any comparable light with a constant drain that can use 18650 will surpass it and continue to provide a consistent brighter light. Heavy build, very good quality, and its output in relation to its size is so far second to none in my opinion.
Elzetta on the left, MH2C on the right. MH2C, Elzetta.
But in this video, it was the Nitecore MH2C that was the real star, because the combination of its very narrow beam combined with that constant brightness, that means very quickly it was the brighter one in real world usage.
MH2C, PD35.
I learned that a light can have less output, but if it can have a focused angle and focus more of that light into a smaller hotspot, it can make up for that. The Elzetta and MH2C here have a more focused beam, which makes them more tactical.
MH2C, Elzetta Charlie.
I'm not biased because I have the capability to sell you any of these flashlights. But if you're asking me my personal preference and opinion, I do prefer these three over the P35. And if I have to choose between this and this, that was a tough one. Because I really like 18650s, I like the further run time, I like knowing that this has constant brightness. Even though this is initially not as bright, I think within that first 15 minutes, this flashlight's going to start to be brighter and stay brighter as the Elzetta keeps dimming. But of the 4 options here, it's the Elzetta and the Barracuda that are the only ones I feel I would call a protection weapon.